Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, you will learn about the concept of setting the working directory and opening and saving files. So let's get started. The working directory is the designated location for opening and saving files. Typically, the default working directory is the directory from which Creo Parametric is started. However, there are four methods to define new working directory. First, from the folder tree or web browser. Expand the folder tree, select the folder, right click on it and select as working directory. The second method is from the file menu. For that, click on file, manage session, select working directory. Now browse to and select the directory that is to be new working directory. Select the folder and click OK. Now this folder is our new working directory. The third method is from the File Open dialog box. For that, click on Open, browse to the folder, right click on the folder and set working directory. The fourth method is selecting working directory directly from the ribbon. For that, click on Select working directory, browse to the folder, click on the folder and click OK. Now this is our new working directory. Now I will show you how to open a part in Creo Parametric. To open a part, click on Open, select the part you want to open. You can either double click or you can right click on part and select Open. To save this part, simply click Save. Now I will show you how to create copy of this part. For that, click on File, Save As, Save a copy. Give it a new name. Click OK. You can see new part is saved in the folder. This completes the demonstration. Thanks for watching. See you next time.